Um, Hello guys, I just want to show you if you get confused about running or playing your media sound from your laptop or from any digital workstation to any whether Behringer WING or X32. But this is as simple as this, right? So what you need to go, if you come to Studio, I'm using Cubase 14, so just go to Studio, click on Studio. First, you need to go to Sound Setup and make sure that you have selected the Wing USB. So if you are using Dante, make sure you select your Dante sound card, but I'm using the USB. So select your USB ASIO. Now it will ask you whether to switch. Say switch. Now I'm switched to Wing USB ASIO driver. Then you say OK. Either you apply and then click OK. Secondly, go to the same Studio, and then this time around is the audio. Go to the audio connection and then go to your output. So on the output, now if you look, let's go to the mixer. I'll show you on the mixer. You need to look. You'll see that channel 1 and 2, if we, yeah, so go to your routing. I'm on routing already, so click on routing and then go to your USB. So if you check here, you see USB audio. Just tap on the USB audio. I'll play the sound and you should see the sound coming on USB 1 and 2 because that's the default, and there is my kick in and kick out. Now you don't want your audio playback to come in with your kick, so you want it on a separate channel. Say I want to send it to 46 and 47 because I already have something on my 48, so I'll just put it on 46 and 47. So back to my digital workstation. So back on the digital workstation, once you select the Studio, and then I'll do it again. So Studio, audio connection, and then output. Then your stereo, just click on that arrow there, and then it pulls it down. You have your left and right. So you see out 1, just click on 1, and then I'm taking it down to 46. So my right, I'm putting it on 47. On 47. So all done here. I just need to close this, and if you go over, you should see the sound. If you come over here, you should see the sound now coming in through the 48, 46 and 47. So now I just need to route it to 46 and 47 because it's not routed first. For safety, I've left it locked so that I don't accidentally just do a random route without knowing what I'm doing. So I locked it. Now for safety, I will advise you leave it locked and then click on your 46 first. Once you click on your 46, now go back to your USB. I'm on 46. Then I have to unlock it now. Once I unlock, and then you can go on the next one and then click. There you go. The sound is playing, so you can hear it playing. I'll turn on the speaker. So that's how to do your routing from your computer or from using the USB, and then bringing the sound into the board. It's as simple as that. So please don't leave without liking, without following, without sharing. This will encourage me make more videos. I'll see you again in my next video.